We have a run of southwesterly winds with us at the moment. High pressure to the south of us, low pressure to the north of us, and these winds squeezed in between, and as you see from the sequence that's running behind me, they last right through the weekend and even into the beginning of next week. Occasionally they're squeezed tighter together, so we will have some spells of fairly windy weather, albeit remaining quite mild. Now, it wasn't windy last night, it was a quiet night, and it was pretty foggy too in central and eastern areas of England, but that fog has thinned and cleared during the course of the morning. There's a little bit of mistiness left, that's not going to last for very long, and you see there's a fair amount of cloud out there to the west. But it's going to be a bright afternoon across most of England and Wales with some sunshine. Best sunshine in the east, rather hazy the sunshine in central and western areas. Some thicker cloud across Northern Ireland, the north and west of Scotland, giving just here and there a little bit of drizzly rain, and that's going to ease a little bit further eastwards as time goes on. And fairly breezy across that northern part of the country, but a very mild afternoon nevertheless. Temperatures between sort of 11 and 13 degrees generally speaking, a little bit cooler around some of the coast. That light and patchy rain and drizzle easing a little bit further eastwards during this evening and tonight, but tending to fizzle out in any case, just a little bit left in western Scotland by the end of the night. But the important thing is that the cloud's going to be moving across the country. So although we may well start off with broken cloud in eastern areas and the temperature dipping down to, say, 2 or 3 degrees, touch of ground frost and some mist and fog patches, later on in the night as the cloud spreads across, the temperatures should lift, the fog will lift too, and we'll end up with some low cloud and mistiness over the hills. And for most places, a fairly mild night. There's tomorrow's chart, mild southwesterly winds, bringing some drizzle, more particularly into western Scotland, the odd lightish shower, I suppose, elsewhere. Otherwise, it's a dry day, and again, some hazy sunshine, and very mild indeed. We do have a weather system moving across the country on Friday. That's going to produce a band of rain, lightish rain in the south, some more noticeable rain in the north. That'll come across, right ahead of it, and then brighter behind it, but with some showers. The showers heaviest in the northwest, where they could be quite lengthy as well. And as you notice, it is going to be windy across the north of the country. Staying windy into Saturday too, and further weather systems enhancing the showers from time to time. Showers heaviest and most frequent in that northern, more particularly northwestern part of the country, perhaps wintry over the hills. A good old run of isobars into Sunday. Weather systems close to Scotland, but basically that's where most of the showers will be. Fine elsewhere. Good afternoon.